Hey, what's happening? What's going on YouTube? It's Matt here. Today I'm going to be talking about how to trade altcoins in the best possible way, and that's with looking at BTC and different indicators in order to know what the price action is going to be doing. So today in my Discord channel, which is linked below, shameless plug, join it. We're talking crypto all day, every day, lots of trades, a lot of people making money on there. But today I shouted out Wabi, WABI on Binance, and said it was a good buy. And so I just want to kind of go over some things that I'm looking at, especially now because I'm not actually going to be trading it. So I sold it at my last sell was at 17.7 and it's now 15.9. So how did I know it was going to be going down? How did I sell it right up here at the peak? And just kind of a couple of those things. So moving forward, one thing to always be doing is to be watching the BTC price to USD, and that just kind of helps you know like a general gauge of what Bitcoin is doing. So that makes a huge difference when you're trading alts, especially when you're trading it to BTC basically. So one very simple thing to know is that when BTC is pumping or going up, alts are generally going to be going down. This is because they tend to revolve around this dollar value, so people are going to be selling their alts in order to ride the BTC wave up. That being said, a lot of people will also buy an alt at this time because they think it's going up and they want to FOMO in, but it's really just the BTC Bitcoin value going up, which is increasing the price value. So it's actually not going up. The Bitcoin price, this price is the one that you want to be looking at, the 15,845. So that being said, I saw on Bitcoin that it was going to be pumping, which here it did, broke. So I saw this triangle forming on Bitcoin, and I knew that it was about to launch. So what did I do? I sold, and I sold when I saw that the depth chart was like a huge sell wall. So basically, this is what you call a buy wall. This is the sells that are in place. So there's a lot of momentum coming in right now, especially around like the 15,000 mark, pushing the price forward. So what I saw was I saw a big, huge red wall right here where my mouse is, and I knew that it was going to be hard to break past that. So I wanted to sell a little bit ahead of that just to make sure I got out in time because I knew that Bitcoin was also going to be pumping. So now I'm going to keep riding Bitcoin, this pump a little bit, and then I'll be entering back into Wabi because my Bitcoin value will be more than it was previously. So this is where it kind of gets a little confusing because you're kind of going back and forth between all these three different numbers: Wabi, Bitcoin, US dollar. But moral of the story is if you ride a pump up and then you get back in, generally you can buy at a retrace point. So let's go back into my candlesticks here, and then we can go to a 1 hour chart. So earlier today, Bitcoin pumped a little bit up to 15 and some change, and that's when Wabi fell. A lot of volume. The estimated moving averages crossed, which led to an even larger sell-off. The RSI went way down, and all of these just big indicators, right? So along with that depth chart that I was talking about earlier. So I sold there, and then a lot of people were able to, I was actually at work, so I wasn't able to, but a lot of people were able to buy back in once Bitcoin kind of leveled out. So Bitcoin rose up and then it kind of started to level out, and then people started to buy into Wabi again. And that's like a 30% swing already just from there to back up. So that's, people are making a lot of money just on those simple little trades. But basically, that's the way that you can kind of hack these altcoin trades. And I mean, and it can work with anything in here. ICX, I'll be doing it with ICX. Wabi, I have open orders already. So these are limit orders. So basically, I'm going in here, selecting a price that I want to buy at, selecting how much I want to buy at. And then I'm finding those prices based on kind of the previous retracement. So I'm expecting that if BTC pumps like I think it will, that the price is going to fall back down here, and that's why I have my buy marked up there. And I have it up a little bit more than I think it will be, just so I can make sure I get it filled. But I did that on both ICX and Wabi because those are two coins that I want and that I think will rebound instantly, basically, once BTC starts leveling out. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to day trade based on what the price action of BTC is doing, what the price action of the actual altcoin is doing, how those correlate, and how you can actually like actively play both sides and hedge against BTC and hedge against altcoins, whichever way you're going. So if BTC is falling, you want to be in altcoins, and if altcoins are falling, you want to be in BTC. So I hope you found that helpful. Hit me up in the Discord, which is again linked below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trying to put out a lot of content and get this a little more organized with just like different types of day trading that I'm doing, different coins that I'm looking into. And again, all of this is kind of coming back to my 1K to 100K yearly resolution that I made. This is day 2, up about 20%. So we're off to a good start. But that being said, just wanted to help you all know what's kind of going on when BTC is on the rise. So hope you have a great rest of your night. Peace.